Hey everyone, welcome back to a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how you can enable the dark mode on Instagram. As you know that dark mode is one of the great way to reduce eye strain and the conserve battery life. So in this video I will guide you step by step process how you can enable the dark mode on Instagram. So let's jump to the video. First of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Make sure that you have an updated version of Instagram. So you can see the profile icon at the down, then tap on that. Now you can see the three horizontal line at the top right corner option, tap on that. Now in that setting and activity, search for accessibility. Now you can see here accessibility and the translation option, tap on that. In that you can see the translation, caption and the dark mode, tap on the dark mode option. Now you can see on off system default option. So for enable the dark mode, tap on option. Now you can see that it's a enable dark mode. So in this way you can enable the dark mode on Instagram. So guys, if you like this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below.